Hello, how are you? What's your name?
Mama, Mickey.
Mahak, where are you today?
In the forest.
Good. So you are enjoying the forest?
Yeah.
Good. So what do you see in the forest?
Trees.
And?
Leaves.
Good. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Hello. What do these trees give us? What's your name?
These trees give us oxygen, life, and wildlife. And some of these trees are something for animals to eat. Like you can see leaves. A lot of animals eat leaves. But I can't name them right now.
Hello, how are you? What's your name?
Hi, my name is Pavi. And people are cutting trees. And it's not good to cut trees. And like a lot of people are cutting them because they want to make money.
Thank you. Hello, how are you?
Good, my name is Jasmine. It's a really big problem that people are cutting trees because it produces global warming. And then global warming is a really big issue. And then every time we cut a tree, we should plant a new one. And we have to take lots of other steps so we don't.
Good. So all of you are here for forest. You want to save the forest. Hug the nearest tree close to you. Well done. Hug it properly. Good. Good. Hug the tree. Wow. Good. Hug the tree. Thank you. So we found 5 tree huggers. Thank you very much, and see you next time in different forest of this beautiful planet. Thank you. Hurrah!